So here we have the lovely Monisha. Come in the middle, Monisha.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for having me. It was such an honor, and I feel like I'm back at home. It's just such a lovely feeling. Once, like I would say, like in my husband's language, once he's there in Ladakh for 6 months and he comes back to Pune, he's like, finally I'm home. I feel
Wow,
like that.
thank you. And for those who don't know Monisha, I think most people do know her, but still, she is Mrs. India Queen of Substance winner, and she's also the state director for Miss Universe Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. And we are so happy that you are here today. And she has judged the pageant so meticulously. I couldn't have done better than her. And the questions she asked were really thought provoking, and she gave the girls a really hard time. You will know the results later, though they're wearing their crowns, so you can keep deducing. But the crowns will be. So here are all the girls. You can move, and we have you doing the honors. How has the journey been for you of pageantry and now state
I
directorship?
never thought I will be competing in a pageant. All thanks to you that I went for a pageant, and it opened a lot of horizons for me. I learned a lot of things. I was never a creative person, but I just learned everything in 6 months: how to dress up, how to do my hair, the right kind of accessories, the shoes, and everything. I have become all-rounder in a way, I would say.
Definitely. In fact, I won't agree with that you didn't know how to dress because you always had the best wardrobe in class. So
Thank you, ma'am.
somebody is asking, are you a tiara girl?
Yes, a proud tiara girl.
Right, I'm so happy. So tiara girl and now state director and pageant winner. She's wears a lot of hats, and she's also a professional dentist,
Yes.
and very, very importantly, a Fauji wife.
Yes. Wow.
So supporting her husband, who's always in field locations, in forward areas, and she's his biggest strength. And let me also say, behind every successful woman is a man.
Yes.
And
I love my man.
Major Amit gets all full marks for
Yes.
being such a supportive husband.
Amazing dress.
Yeah, and the dress has been bought by him. Who thought that Faujis would have such a great sense of style? And the earrings too.
Yes.
Yeah. So girls, if you, I think you should marry Faujis. I've always had a soft spot for them, being a Fauji daughter myself. But yeah, army guys are the best. So here we go. Why don't you cut your cake? That's your cake, the fruit one. There are different cakes for different things. Congratulations to Monisha.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for having me. It's such an honor. I can't tell you in words. Like
No, we've been waiting for a long time to have you, but you've been busy.
Yes.
And Shravani says you all look gorgeous.
Thank you, Shravani. Yara Queen.
Make her eat. She's the.
The runner-up.
And don't give away the results. Ananya, make her eat. Oh, pageant director ko nahi khila rahe ho?
Yes.
Great job.
Amazing.
Amazing, good. I'm glad. Fresh fruit cake
Very,
from
very
Cake
good,
Dior.
Very good. Very good.
Okay, and here we have our beautiful tiara girls. That cake is for them. Come. And that cake is from Bliss Bakery.
I'm here.
So we have different cakes from different places.
Yes.
Yay! Congratulations everyone.
Feed yourselves. And then there's a very nice cake, which is a
That's
almond cake. Is it an almond cake?
It's ragi jaggery.
Ragi jaggery for a person like me who's diabetic. So, but I'll get you all only to cut it. So there you go. Cut that cake also. We will have all 3 cakes and have a feast today. Cut. Alright, so here's to more celebrations at the Tiara. Hope you all come back for with your crowns or without your crowns. And we are so happy to have her back with her crown. And as a state director. Excellent.
Thank you so much.
Take care, all of you. See you. Bye bye to the audience. Alrighty.